Ensuring that vortex mixers can seamlessly integrate with other laboratory instruments is crucial for optimizing workflow and maximizing efficiency. Let's explore the factors that contribute to compatibility. Power supply compatibility. 1. Voltage and frequency. Verify that the vortex mixer operates on the same voltage and frequency as other equipment. 2. Surge protection. Use surge protectors to safeguard against voltage fluctuations that can affect multiple devices. Space and layout. 1. Workstation design. Arrange the workspace so that the vortex mixer is easily accessible without obstructing other instruments. 2. Cord management. Keep cords organized to prevent tangling and ensure safe movement around the lab. Sample handling. 1. Container compatibility. Ensure that the vortex mixer can accommodate the containers used for other equipment like centrifuges or pipettes. 2. Sample volume. Confirm that the volume of samples processed by the vortex mixer aligns with those used in other experiments. Data management. 1. Integration capabilities. Look for vortex mixers that can integrate with software systems for data logging and analysis. 2. Connectivity. Consider models with USB ports or Bluetooth connectivity for seamless data transfer between devices. By considering these factors, you can ensure that your vortex mixer integrates smoothly with other laboratory equipment, enhancing overall workflow efficiency and accuracy. Want to learn more about our products? Feel free to contact me via email on my homepage, and I will get back to you within 24 hours.